Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy using crispy fry. First, collect your pan drippings from cooked meat, like fried chicken. You'll also need about 1/4 cup of crispy fry breading mix, 1 cup of water or broth, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Having these ingredients ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious gravy. To begin, heat about 2 tablespoons of your pan drippings in a saucepan over medium heat. Once warm, slowly whisk in 2 tablespoons of the crispy fry breading mix. This creates a flavorful roux, which is the base of your gravy. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute, stirring constantly until it achieves a light golden color and a nutty aroma. This step is crucial for a rich taste. Now, gradually pour in 1 cup of water or broth into your roux, whisking continuously to avoid any lumps. The key here is a steady pour and constant stirring for a smooth consistency. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. As it simmers, the gravy will naturally thicken to your desired consistency, becoming wonderfully rich and creamy. Finally, taste your gravy and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. You might also consider adding a dash of garlic powder or a hint of dried herbs for extra flavor. Once seasoned to perfection, remove the gravy from the heat. Serve this delicious, homemade crispy fry gravy warm over mashed potatoes, fried chicken, or any dish that needs a savory boost. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.